Ever been stuck at work, bored out of your mind, wishing you could check your personal Instagram, browse YouTube, or catch up on your favorite show, but scared you'll get caught using office Wi-Fi? Yeah, we've all been there. But here's the thing, most people either get reckless or overly paranoid about it. What you need is a smart, strategic way to stay under the radar without risking your job. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get away with using office Wi-Fi for personal stuff without getting caught. These are realistic, clever hacks no one's probably told you, and trust me, they work. First, understand this. Most offices monitor internet activity. Whether you're on a company laptop, desktop, or even your personal phone connected to the office Wi-Fi, your activity leaves a trace. IT admins can see the websites you visit, how much data you use, and sometimes even the content you're viewing. It's logged, and they don't always warn you when you mess up. They might let it pile up for weeks before confronting you, or worse, quietly add it to your HR file. That's why you need to be smart about this. Rule number 1. Never log into personal social media, emails, or banking apps using office Wi-Fi on company devices. Even if you open incognito mode, your activity is still visible to the network. And avoid high-traffic stuff like YouTube, Netflix, online games, or large file downloads. Those cause data spikes IT teams notice instantly. If you must browse non-work stuff, stick to text-based sites like news articles or blogs. Avoid videos and large images. Use incognito mode, but remember, it only hides your history locally, not from the network itself. Pro tip, close incognito tabs when done and don't leave anything open if you step away. If your office Wi-Fi allows VPN connections, use one. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your traffic and hides what you're doing from your employer. Even if they check the logs, all they'll see is a connection to a random IP address. Choose a good paid VPN like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Surfshark. Some free ones leak data, so avoid those. And check if your office Wi-Fi blocks VPN traffic first. Now, browsing personal stuff is always safer on your own phone or tablet. But if you connect to office Wi-Fi, you're still trackable. Best bet? Use mobile data for sensitive stuff. If you must connect to Wi-Fi, stick to HTTPS sites only and disable Wi-Fi auto-connect on your phone. Avoid downloading files or using heavy apps. Most people actually get caught because someone sees their screen, not because of IT. So dim your screen, angle it away from others, get a privacy screen filter, and keep a work-related tab open to switch quickly if someone walks by. Never leave personal sites open when leaving your desk. If you browse something personal, clear your browser history, empty your cache and cookies, delete downloads, and clear your DNS cache. On Windows, open Command Prompt and type IP protocol configuration/flushdance. On Mac, open Terminal and type sudo killall, HUPM-DNS responder. Most people forget this step, but it's a lifesaver. Want total peace of mind? Bring your own mobile hotspot. Use your phone's data or a portable Wi-Fi device instead of the office Wi-Fi. Your traffic won't touch the company network, so it's completely invisible to IT. Downside, it uses your data plan. Upside, total freedom. So if you want to get away with using office Wi-Fi without getting caught, don't log into personal accounts, avoid video streaming and downloads, use incognito for minor stuff, get a VPN if possible, prefer mobile data or your own hotspot. Stay aware of your screen visibility and always clear your tracks. Remember, it's not about being reckless, it's about being smart. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more clever, realistic, how to get away with it hacks, and let me know in the comments what sneaky work hacks you want to see next. I've got plenty more coming your way.